breakup. So honestly,
back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking.
Hi everyone, it's Adyel here and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to be back with another makeup video. Today we're going to be doing a chit chat get ready with me on how to glow up after a breakup, a heartbreak. I'm going to give you all the tea, all the steps. You guys ask me how I did it all the time, so you know, today I'm going to show y'all how. Before we get started though, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below your thoughts. Let's have a little combo in the comments. Also be sure to turn on my post notifications and subscribe to my channel. I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Eastern. It is such a fun time around here and I would love it if you stuck around, but without further ado, let's get into that glow up, girl. Okay, so first of all, wear this crown because it's fitting. The first thing you want to do is moisturize your face. Even if you have to wipe your tears in with your moisturizer, with your primer, with your foundation, okay? And if that is the case, next I'm gonna go ahead and take out all this excess hair with an eyebrow razor. You can do whatever you want. For me, this needs to go. Okay, and now while I do my foundation, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a pep talk. So one of the #1 questions that I get, there's not a day that goes by that I don't get a DM from someone that's going through a breakup and knows what I once went through and wants advice. And even though I moved on from that stage in my life, I know so many people are struggling with it on the daily, so I wanted to make this video. One of the #1 questions that I get is, how did I glow up after the breakup? And how to glow up after a breakup. I've had people tell me, you know, my goal is just to glow up like how you did. Tell me how. And today we're doing exactly that. So the motivation for this look is to hide the fact that you care. So like I said, even if you're blending your tears into your foundation, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like as women we have this power to glow up after a relationship. And I don't know if I'm speaking for anyone else when I say this, but I feel like the main reason that we do is because we're finally putting that love and that focus into ourselves, and it's the best freaking feeling ever. So if you haven't watched my heartbreak advice videos, definitely go and do so. One of my tips is like fake it until you make it, and this is a part of it. I know a lot of us feel better when we look better, so you know what? You gotta fake it till you make it sometimes. And the goal for this makeup look is to do something different. This is full beat, something out of the box, because when you're out of a breakup, sometimes the glow up happens overnight, sometimes it doesn't, but the whole point is that you want to have like a change of look, like just that, yeah, I just broke up with you, yeah, you just broke up with me, and what? And I still look good, and I still managed to get up and do this. You just want to feel yourself, because I know a breakup is one of the things that gives us the biggest self-confidence drop, so you want to build that back up slowly. I know for me, when I got out of my breakup, getting ready every single day was like therapy for me. Like, not only was it my time, but it helped me not to be sad. It helped me to be like, you know what, I'm a bad bitch, I'm gonna glow up. And you know what, let me just say this, I feel like it's safe to say when you're in a toxic relationship, it affects your physical looks as well. Sometimes in a relationship we give up on that effort. It is what it is, and that's totally fine. But let me just tell you guys, this glow up starts mentally. Of course, everyone can have a physical glow up. You can dye your hair, you could do this and that. And I assume a lot of you guys, when you refer to like, Adyel, how did you glow up after a breakup? How did you become a bad bitch? I assume it's mostly because of my mindset. Because if you just go back to old videos, point blank period, you could just tell I'm not happy. And through going through a breakup and being single, I've embodied my truest bad bitch form, I guess. Of course there's physical glow ups too, you know, breakups, started wearing less and going out more. We like to treat ourselves, get our nails done, dye our hair, all that kind of stuff. Maybe we start hitting the gym. But regardless, I feel like physical glow ups take time in general, and I feel like you shouldn't focus on that. Like, you should focus on your mental glow up. And I know for me personally, when I got out of my breakup, I was 19 years old. I had just turned 19. I was in such a depressed state. Now I'm 21 years old. Like, I've learned so much about myself, and also I've just started becoming a grown woman, you know. Like, of course there's gonna be physical changes in that aspect. I know I gained a lot of weight. I was not in a good place at all in my last relationship, and also like my high school years. If you know any of my story, being bullied for doing YouTube, all that kind of stuff. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is don't compare, I know, anyone else's glow up to yours. Like, your glow up needs to be personal, and you need to focus it on that mentality. You need to focus it on getting over so and so. Maybe your goal is to even impress him so much that he comes back, but you know what, even though I feel like that shouldn't be your goal, maybe it is. As long as you have some kind of motivation, that is the first step. So we're almost done with the base makeup, and then we're gonna move on to the eyes. For the eyes, I'm gonna be doing a purple look today. You can go with any look that you want. Like I said prior, the goal of this is to do like a beat face, something different than you would normally do, so that when you post those pictures a few days after the breakup, you gonna be like, hold up, why isn't she crying? Why she look good? Who's she trying to impress? And he or she, I apologize, I'm just associating he because of me, but of course I hope nobody takes offense. So yeah, go out, do things, do you, but getting ready every day or just often and like going and taking pictures and going out is at least a distraction that will help you. And hey, knowing you look good and someone missed out on you is a pretty good feeling, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, go ahead, set your makeup, set it girl, because during emotional times you want to prevent your beat from falling all over the place. You want to make sure that your beat ain't gonna go nowhere. Also, this is the time where you could get more creative with your makeup. You're single now, you're on the market, and maybe you're not ready for all that, but you need to show the person that lost you that that's something that they're gonna have to accept. It just boosts moods to get ready, honestly. For example, I actually don't know when this is getting uploaded. It might be going up while I'm in New York, but to give y'all some perspective, it's finals week. I've been in bed, no makeup, bumming it, sick the past few days, and it just feels great to get ready to be a bad bitch today. So while you're doing your eyeshadow, of course you could do this in whatever steps that you normally do your makeup. I like to leave a little bit of a bake. But yeah, just remember that everything takes time, and I know that's so cliche and that's the last thing you want to freaking hear when you're going through the damn thing, but just know all good things take time. Time heals all wounds. Like, all those cliche things are so true. I mean, that's why they're said so often and heard, because one day you're gonna look back at whatever state you're in right now and you're gonna be like, wow, what a time, and it's gonna feel amazing. So like I said before, I'm gonna do a purple look today, and I'm going to be finally using my Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. Also going to be diving into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy palette, because I want to use like that purple shimmer. So yeah, I'm gonna use the brushes that came with my little Huda Beauty set. So I'm putting some lilac in my crease today. Today I'm not going to do a winged liner. In all honesty, I would recommend doing a winged liner when you know that you're not going to want to cry at any time, because wing liner just ain't it for that kind of mood. So yeah, I'm using the shade Libra, and I'm also going to start using Crash, Karma, and Off Balance, and kind of just mixing the three of those into the crease to blend. And sorry I'm not zooming in, guys, since this isn't a tutorial and I frankly don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'd rather not zoom in. Yeah, I miss doing makeup videos for you guys. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. I feel like if I think of themes to do makeup videos, it's more possible to do them regularly, since the algorithm hates me, but it's okay. And during this time period, you also have to remember to ignore what anyone has to say, your ex included, okay? Even though the breakup is a motivation to want to glow up and stuff, he or she should just be out of the equation, to be honest, out of the mix. Who, like, we're over here cooking up a brand new bitch, like, blast None of Your Concern by Janae Aiko and call it a damn day, okay? Blast bullshit now, new number, who this? Okay, so before I do anything, surprisingly, one of the brushes has this throwback sponge applicator. For some reason, I feel like it'll probably apply shimmer well. Not really, but. So I'm applying this purple shimmer in Cosmic to the lid, and I'm gonna go in with the Amrezy in a second. I don't know if it's the brush or the shadow, but it just like broke it. Okay, so I'm gonna take Amrezy palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Barb. Ooh, yes. Like a pink blue reflective, and I'm putting that like in the inner-ish corner. Thank God some of my nails fell off so I could do this easily. And then I'm gonna take that shade Cupcake on my other finger on the lid. Yes. Also gonna try wetting my brush with the 2 shade, just so that we get a more metallic effect instead of like a chunky glitter. Yeah, but just know, every time I read a DM, I wish I was able to talk to each and every single one of you personally, but just hear me when I say that you're going to be okay. No matter what kind of pain you're feeling, it's gonna be temporary. You're gonna move on. You're gonna get stronger from this. You're gonna become that bitch more than you already are. And one day, I promise, you're gonna laugh and wonder why you ever were simping over that boy or girl. You're gonna cackle, okay? Of course, being single, you meet more people, you get heartbroken more, but it's just a part of life, and if it makes you feel any better, the more it happens, the more you know how to go through it, the less it kind of phases you and takes a toll down on your life. And remember, they always regret it, and you don't need validation from them to know, okay? Surround yourself with good friends, good company. I don't recommend trying to surround yourself with like a new romantic partner. Just let it ride out. Okay, so now you finish your eyes and it's time to make an important selection of lashes. I'm gonna do that right now. This has become one of my new favorite brands. This is my first time picking like a brand new pair of lashes like straight out of the box, and I want to say like 3 weeks. I've been obsessed with just re-wearing the same lashes over and over. Today we're gonna switch it up. So I have Reina and Dreamy, and these are 2 of my favorite styles. So I'm gonna put 1 on each eye. We're gonna choose. So this one's Reina. Oh yes, honey, she came, she conquered. Then we're gonna do Dreamy. Lashes are gonna be your best friend. They're gonna cover the eye bags. So let's see, we got Dreamy and Reina. Hold up, I need a closer mirror. I think it's gonna be Reina. So I'm gonna cut these to my eyes, and sorry it's cloudy as hell, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I love these lashes, and now we're gonna finish off the rest of the face. So I'm gonna go ahead and bronze per usual, snatch all the paint away, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this Laura Mercier blush in the shade Chai. I feel like it's a nice mauve color, but it also has the same tones as the eyeshadows that I use, and it's just really beautiful. So stunning. I love blush too. Blush really gives like a healthy glow. And then I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the face. I'm gonna use the normal highlighter that I've been using pretty often. This is the Milk and Honey Dose of Colors. I would do like a purpley one, but I don't want the makeup to look festival-y. I want it to give off like everyday but a pop of color, you know? But of course, if you're feeling bold, add some colored highlighter. And then I'm trying to think what kind of lip I want. I kind of want to do like a matte candy cane. I feel like a gloss might throw it a little bit off. Yeah, but at this point, make some plans, and if there is none, make your own. Have a little photo shoot in your room. Post a cute video to your Snap story, okay, girl? Cute, yes. Okay, pick that crown up, and then I kind of want to curl my hair, even though it's raining outside, and it's gonna just... But this ain't it, so let me set my face though. I also put a Makeup Geek purple eyeliner in my waterline, by the way. Okay guys, so we have the hair curled. This is the final look. I'm so sad that it's dark. Usually it's better to have that glow up when the sun's out, but you know what? I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it helped. Please let me know how you're feeling in the comments. Let's all come together. We could all relate on this topic, and you know what? After this, if you haven't started already, go slay. Go beat your face. Get out of bed. Come on, let's go. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye everyone.